Welcome to the DSX Access Systems online training video channel. This video will provide a general overview of KB2CW Keyboard to COM port Windows version. KB2CW is a multifunctional communications diagnostic program written by DSX that is used to test serial ports, to test communications to serial, LAN, or modem connected master control panels, and to connect to and program the DSX LAN unit. It is also used to test TCP/IP communications between two PCs, or between the PC and a serial server device such as a DSX LAN unit. KB2CW can be run on a workstation PC to redirect TCP/IP communications from the COM server out one of the workstation serial ports to a master control panel. At the top of the KB2CW window, there are several menu items to choose from. Select File will give you the option to exit the program. Select COM port define port to configure a serial port that can be used for testing serial communications. The serial port could be a standard onboard DB9 serial connection. It could be a serial port that you added to the PC using a serial I/O controller card, or it could be a USB to serial device such as a DSX-USB. IP client is used to configure the IP address and TX port number to allow the testing of communications to or through a LAN serial server device such as a DSX LAN unit. IP server is a diagnostic tool that will echo to IP client running in another instance of KB2CW on another PC. This will perform a loopback between the two PCs and verify that the ports necessary for COM server to workstations communications are open and that these ports can pass data. A firewall can block these ports and prevent the proper operations of the workstation program on client PCs. It is possible to use a workstation PC as a LAN communications gateway to a location master panel. This will allow LAN communications to the location when a serial server device such as the DSX LAN unit is not available. The master control panel wires to the local serial port on the workstation PC, and KB2CW IP COM port is configured to use this serial port for communications to the master control panel. The Options menu has several items. Capture and Save Edit Buffer to File allow the capture of data from KB2CW. All commands issued and panel or device responses are saved in a text file that can be sent to DSX Technical Support for Diagnostics. The Miscellaneous section can be used to configure the name of the captured text file. There are several other options under this menu that should only be configured by DSX Technical Support. You can use Determine IP Address to show the IP address of the PC you are running KB2CW on. And the last two items, Show, Receive, and Transmit Communications, display IP COM port communications and are typically disabled once communications have been established. The Commands menu provides up to 6 predefined strings that are executed by a keyboard sequence such as Control 1 for Command 1 or Control 2 for Command 2. These strings are useful when testing modems and communications to modem-connected DSX master control panels. For example, using the standard Hayes command strings, string 1 can be configured with the phone number to dial the panel, in this case ATDT, and then the phone number. And command 2 could be used to force the modem to hang up and end the phone call. The last item, Help, will allow you to start the KB2CW Help project as well as show you the current version that you are running, in this case 2.8.0.1. In our next video, we will see how to use COM port to test serial connections to a DSX master controller and how to perform a loopback on a serial port. Thank you for watching this video.